Hi guys, Nitin here again. Today we are going to make spicy cauliflower bites, and all we need for it is one head of a cauliflower, which we'll need to separate into cauliflower florets. I'll do it and show you how. I'm using my hands to separate the cauliflower florets, so no cutting skills on demo today. So here's my cauliflower all done. I've cut it into about bite-sized pieces and washed them nicely. Now we will season them. I'm going to cook the cauliflower in my air fryer. You can also do it in an oven. I will tell you the temperature and I'll also put it in the instructions. So for seasoning my cauliflower, I'm going to slather it with oil. This is for the seasoning to stick to it. Use good quantity. I use avocado oil, salt, and I use garlic powder, and few times you will get to know what are my two favorite spices. Onion powder. I'm eyeballing it, but the quantities I'll leave them in my instructions that I put in the description of the video. About half a teaspoon of red chili pepper. You can put more if you like it spicy. And we're going to make a sauce for this later, so you can add more spice to that or this. I put some black pepper and we mix it all together so that it all gets coated with the spices very well. So my cauliflower is well coated now, as you can see. Now I had my air fryer nice and warm. I'm going to dump it all in here. You can also lay these on a sheet pan and cook in an oven at around 400 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or desired amount of crunch. I like my vegetables a bit crunchy. I'm going to set my air fryer for about on 400 for about 15 minutes or so, and I'm going to come back in 8 minutes and give it all a good mix. While my cauliflower cooks, I've chopped up some cilantro here. Again, I didn't demo my chopping skills. I have a preference of the garnish that I use. Typically, if I make Indian or Mexican food, I use cilantro, versus if I don't make Indian or Mexican food, or I make non-Indian or non-Mexican food, I use parsley. Either ways, both are good herbs to use for garnish. They elevate your dish to the next level. So my cauliflower's been cooking for about 7-8 minutes. Look how gorgeous it looks with all those spices browning up and a crispy layer forming around the cauliflower. And needs about 6 to 7 minutes more, so I'm going to shove this again. So I increased my cooking time to about 20 minutes. I thought the cauliflower needed some more. I'll show you. There's about 5 minutes remaining. I'll show you how they look like. Quickly give them another mix so that the heat distribution is even, and put them back in. And in the meanwhile, let's go make our sauce. So here's my wok, nice and hot. Sorry, my wife is busy with an office call, so she's not here to help me. So I'll have to manage this myself. In this, I'm going to melt about 3 tablespoons of butter. I love using butter in my cooking, and because I'm on a keto diet, it's all legal for me. I can eat copious amounts of butter. I also add a little bit of oil so that the butter doesn't burn. My butter's all melted, and to this I'm going to add this Frank's Red Hot extra hot sauce. I'm going to add about a quarter cup of it, and guys, I'm Indian, nothing's hot for me, so I'm going to go easy with amount of hot sauce that we use. You can skip using the hot sauce, or you can only use the hot sauce with the butter. It tastes equally good, but I'm also going to add some spices. This is a spice mix that I make similar to garam masala but a bit different. You can even use tandoori masala or chicken tikka masala to flavor your butter. It just gives you so many options of having different flavorings. So I put it all in, give it a good mix, let it cook for about a minute or so on very low heat. If you see, I'm on 1, and we'll be ready to toss in our cauliflowers. So I hope you can hear the sizzle. Once it sizzles nice and good, here's my cauliflower. I'm going to toss it in the sauce. I'm just going to give it a good flip. Use a spoon to coat it all nicely. And it's ready to be served. Let me show you what the dish looks like when it's plated. So guys, this is what the dish looks like once done. I'll zoom in to show you how amazing the cauliflower looks. I tasted it and it's just heavenly, and I'm done in about half hour. So it's a really quick, really delicious dish to make. An air fryer makes it even better. An oven works too. I've never tried sauteing my cauliflower throughout, but maybe you can give it a try. But yeah, this is what the dish looks like. Let me know with your likes and comments, how do you like it? Thank you.